side facing, so my little tail's on the back. Okay. It says we're gonna join the yarn in any chain 2 space. So that's here by using a chain. So I'm just gonna slip stitch it like this, okay? All right?
Yep.
But it says...
You went into the top of the chain?
No, you're going in the space.
Any space.
In
just in the big space.
In the big space. Those chain 2 spaces. Now, what it tells you to do is that it does not count as your first stitch. So it says, does not count as first stitch. Now we're gonna 3 double crochet in the same space. So I'm gonna double crochet once. I'm gonna double crochet twice. My yarn. And then I'm gonna double crochet 3 times. So those 3 went into that space. Now I'm going to 3 double crochet into each chain space to the end. So I'm gonna just right into that space. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I hate my yarn there. Sorry. 1, 2. 3. 1, 2, 3.
So the in the hole doesn't count.
In the hole you're counting. 1, 2, 3. So it's almost like spokes in a wheel.
Yeah.
So you're going to go around the wheel, leave the spokes.
We're covering the wheel.
So now 1, 2. Now in lieu of my last 3, I'm going to do that same end, right? I'm going to go in back here, and then through there it's going to create that last stitch. But what's good is it tells you that you need 24 stitches. So that means I can go and count my stitches. Each little braid. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh, what did I do wrong? Okay, see, this is a perfect example of why you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, I have 9.
Oh.
So, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to redo it because that's lame.
Yeah. Okay. So it's just a little bit bigger.
No, I'm going to end up doing one.
Cheat it somewhere.
I'm going to put them together.
Oh, you're so smart.
Not really. Because it's still going to look weird.
But nobody's going to see that.
No. No, I am going to redo it because that's me. But anyway, that's why you count.
Okay, so let's say you did have the right number. Let's go to 27 stitches back again.
27 stitches.
And
then I'm going to go
end it.
to end. So there's 2 there. I'm going to take that. I'm going to cut my yarn. I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to go back and find the first stitch. 1, 2. This is the first stitch.
I'm going to go on the top.
We're going to go through the top 2.
Because it's a double, you're going to go through 2.
Always go through 2.
Always go through 2. Okay.
And we're going to pull it. Sorry, Gina.
Okay, I got it.
We're going to pull it through. And so see how it's kind of there?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to go through only one of the, this one's a back loop. This one's a front loop. Mm-hmm. I'm going to go through the back loop only. If I can get there, sorry. Okay, so and then I'm going to pull it through. And that creates my stitch. And then I'm going to gently weave in through here. I might as well show you. So thread the needle of the one that you went through, not the one you started with, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you see, if I pull this real tight, I'm gonna lose that stitch, but you don't wanna lose the stitch because you're gonna need to count that as one. So I'm just gonna thread it real lightly through. If you need to, you can kind of pull it. So now it looks like it's just part of the rest. I'll knot these and weave them both in.
All the way, how far? Like,
You can maybe to here and to here.
Okay.
And then when you snip them, you want to make sure that, so if I were to weave this one through, let's say to there, again, you want to make sure you're not pulling it too tight. But when I snip it, I am going to kind of pull it tight and then snip it so that it disappears.
yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.